Okay, guys, it is math time. Miss B is gonna show y'all two examples, and then y'all gonna finish up the rest of the problem and send a picture. Send it to Miss Alexis or send it to Miss B. Okay, let's go to the slide. Okay, Jen has cards with the numbers 1 to 9. She added 2 of the cards to get 10. What are different ways to make 10? What are they, guys? Let's see. And she had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cards. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with this one. 1 plus 9 equals what, guys? 10. Look. So, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Plus 1 equals 10. Okay, I'm gonna do another one for y'all. 2 plus 8. How do that one go? You can make whatever you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. 9, 10. Our answer is 10. The answer is 8 plus 2 equals 10. So, Miss B gave y'all 2 examples. Now y'all gonna do the other ones. Don't forget, take a picture, email Miss Alexis or email Miss B. Thank y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this lesson. See y'all soon with some more videos. Bye-bye.